How to start a YouTube channel in 2024 step-by-step guide. Intro on camera, excited and welcoming tone. Hey everyone. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to launch your channel successfully in 2024. Whether you want to vlog, teach, or just have fun, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first thing you need to do is decide what your channel will be about. Ask yourself, what do I love talking about? What am I good at? What kind of content do I enjoy watching? Your niche can be anything: tech, gaming, beauty, finance, vlogging, or even storytelling. But remember, pick something you're passionate about because consistency is key. Step 2. Creating your channel. Now let's set up your channel. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on your profile picture and select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content. If you're building a personal brand, your real name works too. Upload a professional profile picture and banner. Make sure they look clean and match your channel theme. Step 3. Branding and channel art. Your channel's first impression matters. Profile picture. Use a high-quality image, preferably with a clear face shot. Banner. Make it visually appealing with your channel name and a short tagline. About section. Write a brief but engaging description of your channel. Tell viewers what they can expect. Step 4. Equipment and setup. You don't need expensive gear to start. Here's what you need. Camera. Your phone is good enough if it records in HD. Microphone. Good audio is more important than video quality. Consider a budget-friendly lavalier mic. Lighting. Natural light works great, or grab an affordable ring light. Editing software. Free tools like DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or iMovie are perfect for beginners. Step 5. Creating your first video. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just follow these tips. Keep it simple and introduce yourself. Explain what your channel is about. Use a script or outline to stay on track. It has good lighting and clear audio. Step 6. Optimizing for discovery. To get views, your videos need to be found. Here's how. Title. Make it clear and include keywords. Description. Write a detailed description with relevant keywords. Tags. Use tags related to your content. Thumbnail. Create a bright, eye-catching thumbnail. Consistency. Upload videos regularly to keep viewers engaged. Step 7. Promoting your channel. Share your videos on social media: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit. Engage with other creators and comment on related videos. Ask friends and family to support your channel. Step 8. Monetization and growth. To make money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for the YouTube Partner Program, or 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours for YouTube Shorts monetization. Other ways to make money: sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products. Outro on camera. That's it. Now you have everything you need to start your YouTube journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what your channel is about. I'd love to check it out. See you in the next video.